Hi everybody and welcome back to another one of our Home Education Journey UK daily vlogs. It is Tuesday the 3rd of November. I hope you're all managing to keep well with the recent news of lockdown starting again on Thursday. Unfortunately we had Centre Parks booked for 2 weeks time to go and see the Winter Wonderland. Obviously that's been cancelled now, but we have been lucky enough to rebook it for the second week in December, I think it is. So just hopefully, fingers crossed, lockdown will have eased by then and we'll still be able to go. We went out at the weekend to a local garden centre and just bought lots and lots of little trinkets and bits so we can start doing our winter wonderland scenes in our home, and also we'll probably end up putting our Christmas tree up in a week or two just to cheer the place up and to give the children something to look forward to in the meantime. It's a super hard time for us all, but like I said before, we are one of the lucky ones, and it's just a case of keeping the children occupied, distracted, and not letting it all weigh them down too much. So that's our plans over the next couple of weeks. It's also Teddy's birthday tomorrow. Is going to be 11. Luckily we'd already, with a rule of 6, we'd already booked the family up to do an online Zoom party on Sunday, so that can still go ahead, which is really happy about. And his birthday's tomorrow, so he'll be able to see his grandparents just before lockdown so they can see him on his actual birthday. Anyway, bringing him back up to speed. So it's just gone 9 o'clock. I've stripped the beds, they're in the wash, the children have had their breakfast, they're dressed, the work is out for the day. We're going to do lots of Bonfire night work today. I've also got to bake Teddy his birthday cake and set up the party bags so we can dish them out, leave them on people on leave them on his cousin's doorsteps before lockdown on Thursday. So luckily his birthday won't be affected too bad by this lockdown, so that's good. So yeah, we've got bonfire night work to do this morning. Millie's also drew a little picture for her biggest cousin. She wants to start drawing, bless, a weekly picture and then posting it, so Lacey has something to look forward to each week. So we're going to go for a walk, a welly boot walk I think, because it's been raining all night, so I think we'll put our welly boots on and go and find some puddles on the way and have a splash. And the children also have their flu spray this afternoon at 3 o'clock, so we have that to do as well. So we've got a busy day, but we'll keep you posted as the day goes on as always, and I hope you enjoy.
So can I get a 3 dice?
What's that one? What number is that? Is that a 2?
2, yeah.
Well done. So now you need to do this one. Well done, darling.
What?
Hi. Hello, darling. You're doing your word search now.
Yeah. Wait, do I have to do word search?
You've got a word search, yeah, after. Do that first, though, darling. Your firework is so colourful, Alfie.
Thanks.
Well done, mate. On Firework.
Yes, done.
Oh, good boy.
Well, I still have to do this page. I figured it would be easier at this one because this one you have to do this bit and this bit, but because I read these 2 pages and I thought this one.
Okay, that's fine. Do what order you want, can't you?
And then I've started this one. So. But yeah.
Good boy. You're doing a great job.
So I've took them all out so I can mix them all.
That's fine.
Put on my chair here. What's that? Okay, this one.
You to spin your chair around. Show me your system so you can go, what's that?
What's that?
Oh, marked it down there. Very good, Ted. So I'm just going to quickly show you all how we get Ted's work onto his iPad off Twinkl or another website, and I thought it might be helpful if we actually show you how we do it. So we go onto the Twinkl website, we choose the resource that we want, and then we press download. It says download again because I've already downloaded it once, but I just wanted to show you. And then, Ted, which one did you say you wanted to colour in?
The one that had
This one,
down. That one.
the rocket. So then you go to the blue arrow, sorry, here. This one here. Press that. And then we have Notability on our, on Ted's iPad because it's really good for writing and typing and downloading pictures and all sorts. So if you can download the app Notability, it's really, really good. So we just click on that because that's where we want to transport it to. And then we say create new note. And then we click on the import. And then one file was sent. So that's done. So then if we come off here, and if we go on to Notability, it should be there at the top. And then he's got them all here, so then he can choose the one he wants. Yeah, and then you can go straight on, can't you, Ted, and click on what you want to do.
You have to do it with a pen.
Yeah, you have to use a pen, Ted, or can you do it if you have? You can. Yeah, so you use a pen, but if someone hasn't got the pen,
Yeah, they can just do it.
it will just work with a finger, but yours only works with a pen because it's connected to that, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, if not, so you just click on that and then, and you can just start doing, and you can also just type as well. So you can type on there, can't you, Ted, like that? So if it's a typing worksheet or whatever, you can just do it like that.
Size.
Yeah, you can do all of that, can't you?
Yeah, and you can also change the background and whatever you want.
Yeah,
Change it.
lots of different things you do on there, isn't there? So Ted will do, now he's got his gloves, you'll do some of your work, won't you, on paper, but it stresses you out if you do too much, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we also do a mixture on the iPad as well, especially if it's colouring in or something. You're not so keen on that, are you?
Well,
So
can you show the videos my house plant?
pardon?
Can I show them my house
You want to show your house plant? Yes, you brought it down to water it, haven't you? It lives in your bedroom. Oh, just having a snack, aren't you? Because what is it, 20 to 11, I think?
So basically, it wasn't doesn't have much water in, but I think it lives in Africa or something. It's somewhere really hot, so you don't need to water it very often because it doesn't really rain. So I do it every Saturday, but I couldn't because it was Halloween. So I did it on Friday, but I only did a tiny bit because I thought I was going to do it on Saturday, but I didn't. So I watered it today, and it's looking fine.
Looking good.
I've had it for like a few months.
Looking really good, Teddy. Well, I'll leave you to finish this then, all right?
Thank you.
All right, Chicken, thanks for helping me with that iPad thing. I just wanted to show everyone.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, darling. You doing your reading comprehension, darling?
Yeah.
Look at all our Halloween goodies. That will last you until Christmas, won't it? For puddings until Christmas.
Can I have one of my Halloween goodies, please?
You can just have one, yeah. Did you not have snack? You can have one for snack. You don't normally have sweets for snack, do you?
I only had a cheese string, that's all I had.
Yeah, you don't really have them for snack, but because oops, it's just been Halloween, we'll let you as a treat.
I also built this. Manually, I didn't even use the instructions.
That's right.
For my Mario thing that's coming on my birthday.
You've asked for a big Mario set on your birthday tomorrow, haven't you?
Mario, like, you can move the Mario and it actually just noise.
Yeah, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Did you read this? Good girl.
It's got an article here on water bears.
That's it.
And they're also called moss piglets.
Oh, bless you, like them, don't you?
Yeah.
You've finished all your structured work, haven't you? So you're just reading your week junior, aren't you?
It's a millimetre long.
Hello, sweetheart. Did you do them?
Yeah.
Good,
Except for the one I can't do.
Okay, I'll come and help you one
Look,
second.
they can survive being boiled and frozen, as well as the bottom of the deepest ocean. They have been sent into space on a satellite and returned alive.
Ooh.
And guess what? They're also the smallest visible animal with the naked eye. And they're the smallest animal that you can see with the naked eye. Right.
Millie was asking what that was, Alfie. What are you talking?
A water bear. May, can I show you my work?
Yes, darling. What are you doing? You doing your firework?
I'm almost done it.
Oh, that's colourful.
This is going to be blue. Yeah, this bit's going to be red. This bit's going to be blue there. And then I've done the...
That's really colourful, Ted.
Can you spell really?
So and then and then what do you think goes on the end? Yeah, good girl.
Bonfire night was celebrated on the 5th of November. It is also known as Guy Fawkes Night or Fireworks Night. It remembers how a man called Guy Fawkes tried to blow up some important buildings in London. He did it because he wanted to change the way that the country was being run.
Great job, darling. It's 11:30 and the children have just finished all their structured work, so we're about to put our wellies on and go and find some puddles before lunch.
Yes, we are.
You ready?
Oh, God. That's spicy. It's a chocolate milk, so it's good.
Is it in? Good girl.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, God. Ready?
Yeah. Go on, Alf.
2, 3, 4, 5.
You look like Tigger. Didn't he, Ted?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Like that? That's cool. All of us are smaller and like stubbier, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, I like it. I like how you're going on top of each other. Is that good fun? You enjoying that, baby? That's okay.
Do you want to cover it basically to the top?
If you want to.
Hedgehog's like a little snuggle. So it's going everywhere.
Just try and be careful, I know it's windy. Just try to get a little bit out at a time, darling. Past 12 and we've just got back from our welly boot walk. The kids managed to find some puddles to jump in, burn off some energy and to get some fresh air. I'm just about to do Ted's party bags now. All of the structured work has been done this morning. The kids were amazing. 2 hours sitting down and they've managed to get it all done. And I always think 2 hours is roughly a good amount of time to do the structured part of the day, because when they're at school, if you think about moving around and all the disruption of a classroom and going from one place to another, and assembly and dinner and break and introduction to each lesson, and then winding down from a lesson, about 2.5 hours I think of sitting down, structured work, and obviously having me just one against the three of them is much more efficient. And so yeah, 2 hours and they've done everything. So now they're just in the front room. Ted and Millie are playing on the Switch together. Alfie's upstairs having half an hour whilst we just wait for the jacket potatoes to finish off. So I'm going to grab this half an hour now and quickly do the party bags, and maybe I might get time to quickly clean the guinea pigs out as well. So lots of yummy goodies, naughty children party treats.
Aww.
That obviously if we were having a big family party would be all out on the table, but because we're not, I've just brought bits of food that won't go off, that are all sealed separately, that I can put into a bag and deliver to all the cousins, ready to enjoy and open and eat with Ted on his Zumba party on Sunday. Good afternoon everyone. So it is 2:15, we've just had dinner and I've just baked Ted's cake. It's just in the oven. I'm about to get it out and then I'm going to leave it to cool whilst I clean the guinea pigs, as I didn't have time to do them before lunch after doing the party bags. It took me a little longer than I thought, so I'm just going to go and do the guinea pigs now, and then we're going to dash to the doctor's for the children's flu spray, and then I'm going to come back and decorate Ted's cake and do the evening routine.
No flu spray.
You'll be alright, baby,
No.
I promise. I know, you're not very excited about that, are you? But I've explained that it will stop you from getting poorly, won't it? And Mummy will be there with you. So we'll catch you a bit later on. Good evening, it is 7 p.m. and we're just having quiet time now. I've just got the children upstairs for some quiet time. Alfie's still in the bath. We took the children to get their flu spray, and then we've been back, had lunch. I've decorated Ted's birthday cake, waving the scissors round. I've just been cutting the banner out for Ted's birthday tomorrow. So I've decorated his cake. And now I'm just putting out all of his birthday presents whilst the children are all upstairs and can't see what I'm doing. And I've put out some balloons and the usual banner and tablecloth, and I've set it all out ready for him for in the morning. So when he comes down, it'll all be ready for him. So I'm going to leave the video here now because I'm going to go and have a shower and a cup of tea and a sit down for an hour before I end up going to bed myself. So thank you for watching as always. Like, subscribe, leave comments down below, and we'll see you all again really soon. Bye.